what is up, you guys? Welcome back into another banger or video. Yeah. So, if you don't know who this is my friend from my class. His name is Richard, aka Lorenzo. Yeah. And he's my classmate. We just met, so we're gonna do another video. It's about like memes and stuff about the Avengers. Comment down below if you ever saw the Avengers Endgame. It was good, right?
Yeah, it was good and sad.
Yes, but really, really, really excited and to watch it again. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, and make sure you guys subscribe. You ready? 3. Okay. And turn on notifications. 3, 2, 1, and begin.
Listen, send the people. It's uselessly time.
Oh yeah, and by the way, each of us have 5 lives.
Yes,
It's
a try not to laugh challenge.
If we lose, if we laugh, that means 1 life is taken away.
Yes.
What?
You're so skilled. Oh. Okay.
I'm smiling.
Hamburger.
Okay, I have 4 lives now.
That was really close.
Gonna have to get the power on. Yeah! Fuck you, Fido! Yeah! My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Oh my god.
Wait, this was on the news. That was on the news.
That was actually.
That was in Puerto Rico.
I got the Louis shoes. Daddy got
Oh no.
Just like that.
No, this is a crayon.
Oh no, that I can't take it.
Sonic the Hedgehog movie.
Hamburger.
I have 2 lives now.
Oh, what is he doing? What is he doing?
Whoa! What?
Oh my, 2016.
2016.
Squidward over here.
Dab.
2019.
2019.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Bro, that's actually a place. Poop Creek.
Oh my god. And this is what moms mean when they say to their children, do not eat too much sugar. There we go.
That's a bad one.
Bruh, caramel. Oh, okay. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god.
Shrek!
Oh, okay, he's not bad,
Not bad, yeah. Just okay.
I didn't know Shrek was a gymnastic.
That's not, oh my god, that,
This is not gymnastic. I'm so sorry, guys.
this is for, this is like the obstacle courses for
Yeah, I know. My bad. Oh, jumping off of sticks. Jumping.
Anyone can do that.
No, but this is for dogs. That's the thing. Okay,
But Shrek is not a dog. Shrek is Shrek.
Shrek is an ogre.
Shrek is Shrek.
Shrek is an ogre. Whatever. This is not funny at all, but we chose this video for a reason.
No, wait, pause it.
What?
I'm done.
Bruh!
Wait a second.
What?
There's a chug jug.
Okay, let's keep
Thank you,
going.
chug jug. Now I have to realize.
Let's go. Oh my god.
What? Wait, what? Where'd it go?
What? How's that a musician?
I think it's that. The one on the left.
She's just jogging.
It's the one on the left. The one on the
I
left.
agree. Oh my god. Sonic the Hedgehog trailer. Doesn't Sonic have two eyes connected instead of like...
Bruh, not even. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
Tony
oh,
Stark.
Oh, Robert. Oh, that's Robert Downey Jr. by the way. Alright.
Hulk.
Because you guys.
Before you didn't
Yeah, bruh. Oh, no, that's not.
I saw Kermit and he dies.
No! Get that out of it. Get that. Nobody likes your ass. Bruh.
This is my voice, last day of PlayStation. This is my voice, 1 week on Xbox. Mom! Where's your batteries? This is my voice, 2 weeks on Xbox. 3 weeks on it. Mom, we need batteries!
2 lives for me. Bro, you
5 lives.
You still have 5 lives.
I know.
Oh no. I hate roller coasters.
Oh no. Oh, that is so long.
I would puke.
Me too, right now.
Oh my god.
It's Minecraft. Oh, 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 bruh. Oh, Pennywise. Oh, wow. What? I thought he was gonna land it.
What? Oh my god, this is.
I thought they were actually gonna like fight. Wow, is this like high school or something?
Bruh. It's high school.
Yeah, I know. What is he doing? Don't. Come on, this is not funny.
I don't know what he's doing. That would make it so funny.
His legs are stuck in the sand. That's the thing. How's this fun?
This is not fake life. camera. One life.
There's no way that's an actual
That's
crocodile.
fake, bro. That's Photoshop.
Oh my god.
That's fake. Why would they let it?
I think that's.
I think that's real. And I don't get how this is funny. This is
Yeah, like
scary. Not funny. Not scary.
it's not scary. That's an park.
That's a crocodile.
Trailer
Wow.
starts now. Okay. Oh my god. Bruh.
I did not. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not
This
doing it.
November.
I'm not doing it. One is better than two. Because I'm number one.
Okay. So
Okay, so yeah.
Okay, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Try not to laugh challenge.
I lost.
Yes, and I win. So by 5 points.
By 4 points.
5.
I drank that chum chum.
Okay, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Say bye.
Bro, that's a bad ending.
Bro, just say bye.
Bye. That's a better ending.
Okay.